friends, welcome back. I'm finally back after 2 years. After 2 years I'm back with a brow tutorial. You feel me? And it's not gonna be a regular brow tutorial. This is brow 101. I am sick of seeing black boxy eyebrows. So if you want brows like mine, stay tuned. Here I am going in with my spoolie that I got from Amazon. If I find it, I would definitely put it in the description bar down below. Now going in with my NYX brow gel. I love this stuff, honestly. You put it on the back of your hand, you warm up the product, you use a nice angled brush, unlike me that I didn't do, and you go ahead. Only con to this stuff is that it dries really fast, so if you're going to use a spoolie, it might hurt you trying to move the product around. See, like I was saying, like I have to be extremely rough just to move the product around. But overall, it lasts for a long time. You don't get oily, and it stays on all day, so that stuff is good to me. This brush, I hated it. I had to switch brushes, like it was trash. I don't know where I got that current brush from. It's old. Now I'm going to be going in with my 99-cent store approved brow pencil, only because I couldn't find my spiked by M.A.C Cosmetics, but it's the same thing, honestly. I think that it's the same thing. Now you're just going to brush it out. Yes, I don't know. Today I just had a funk. I don't know. I couldn't use no brushes. I didn't know how to use a spoolie. Everything was messed up for me today. I see that brow coming alive already. Look at that. Alright, now going on to my other eyebrow. I honestly was out of the frame, so my bad or whatever. It's the same thing. It's very repetitive, so it's nothing important. So now I'll be going in with my Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah, I like this stuff. I like that one, or the fawn color. It best suits me. This one I use if I don't plan on wearing like a full beat face of makeup, like with foundation and stuff. With the fawn, I'll wear the foundation only because I don't like the highlighted halo look that most people might like. I don't like that. So I use my foundation to blend it out a little bit more. With this stuff, it's damn near my skin complexion, so I don't really have to use foundation, as you can see in a couple of seconds. So we're just going to be going on to the other eyebrow. Like I said, it's very repetitive. Yeah, I know my eyebrows aren't twins, they're sisters. I have a jacked up eyebrow too, by the way. You're gonna see me fix it at the end of the video. It's not really jacked up, like it's my family trademark. Like the hair stands straight up. I hate that shit, like I really hate it. But you'll see in a couple of minutes that I'm gonna go in with the 99 cents to approve brow pencil and attempt to fix it. Now we're concealing the top of the brow, and it's pretty easy, you know, nothing, it's not like you haven't seen this on YouTube before, but just concealing the top of my brow with the same concealer that I've been concealing with the bottom of my brow. Only because, like I said, I don't like the halo look. If I was using fawn, I would be using a ton of foundation, but this time I'm not doing that. So yeah. Now I'm going to be going in with my M.A.C brush to blend out my concealer. Like I said before, the beautiful bronze is closest to my skin color, so it's easier and best for me to do this if I'm not wearing foundation. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be going back at the end of the video to be fixing the front of my brows because the hair stands straight up. So like I'm doing right now, I'm going to be fixing it to even them out, or at least make them look decent. We finally reached the ending of my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also add my social medias. I'll put them in the description box down below. See you guys later on my next tutorial.